Start of the second set, the winner take all, and the rough. Early lead is taken by Batong Silyar, followed by Musashi, Red Ransom, Bumblebee on the outside, Love Story, and Speed of Firm. Nearing the far turn, it's Batong Silyar in the lead, followed by Bumblebee by the rail in second, Musashi, Red Ransom, and Love Story running in fifth, bringing up the rear Speed of Firm. Rounding the far turn, it's Batong Silyar by Alain Caneha, followed by Bumblebee on the outside in second, Musashi, Red Ransom. And here comes Love Story now moving up. The last bend for home, it is still Batong Silyar in the lead, followed by Bumblebee on the outside in second, and Red Ransom by the rail. Moving up in between horses, Love Story. And into the home stretch, it is still Batong Silyar, followed by Bumblebee on the outside, and Red Ransom moving up on the inside. But it's still Batong Silyar in the lead, followed now by Red Ransom by the rail and Bumblebee. And finally at the payoff line, it's Batong Silyar, Bumblebee, Love Story, Red Ransom, Musashi, and Speed of Firm.
All right, there you go.